I buy these third-party Magsafe chargers, and I needed a stand for them. I modeled it up in Fusion 360. It's done! So, what is this? It's a Magsafe holder. Okay, but I'm frugal. So I bought these off-brand ones. Well, they don't fit a lot of the Magsafe stuff that's out there. So I designed this one to work with this off-brand one. And there. Gorgeous. Let's see if we can get this to tuck in here. There. Look at that. Works pretty good. Now this is a 60 millimeter diameter. So this one's made for a 60 millimeter by 7 disc. And it works pretty good. Oh yeah, and here. Just, get it on there like that. Or we can rotate it like that. Pretty cool, huh? If you're cheap like me and you shop third-party Magsafe discs, this may be the model for you. It's on MakerWorld.com and it's under my account, Tooling_Lee. And it's a Magsafe charger stand for third-party Magsafe discs. So go check it out. Show me some love.